Hi people, well, welcome back. A new video from Carl and Jan. Today we're going to take a look at the present continuous. The present continuous is actually not as complicated as you may think. It's basically, or it's not basically, it is any verb plus ing. Okay, then you have the continuous form. Okay. Example is are, okay, plus ing, eating, talking, walking, jumping, sleeping, filming, you are watching, you are listening, I hope, okay, any verb. Okay, and what else can I tell you about the continuous form? The present continuous is something that is happening now, okay? Excuse me, there's something really annoying at the back of the board. Look, this was banging on the back of the board. Present continuous. Banging, it was banging on the back of the board. So, I should not touch the board. Okay, so the present continuous is something that is happening now. Okay, at this moment, or this moment in time. Okay, so I am working, she is wearing, they are playing. Okay, some examples for this. Where is Jan? Good question. He's filming. Okay, film, the verb plus ing. Look, somebody is stealing your car. Okay. Steal, to steal something, plus ing. Jan and Carl are making a new video, okay, or they're making a new film. Film, okay. We're not Steven Spielberg, not yet. Okay, we're working on it. We are working on it. My friend is learning to play the drums, okay, or my friend is learning to cook, or my friend is learning to play the guitar. Okay. As I said, every verb plus ing is possible. Every verb. It doesn't matter. Okay. And you have the continuous form. We will look at the past continuous and the future continuous at a later date. At the moment, for now, present continuous. Now, something that's happening. Like I say, take a verb, people, and ing it. Any verb. Practice at home. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was informative. If you liked it, as always, give us a like, thumbs up, or even better, subscribe. And yeah, tune in next time for the next video from Carl and Jan. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.